In this video, you will add tables to your presentation. Tables show information in an easy-to-read layout, like a spreadsheet. You can use a table to present small pieces of spreadsheet data in your presentation. For example, if you want to direct your audience's attention to your team's sales numbers, but you don't want to stop the presentation to open an entire spreadsheet, you could include a table on one slide of your presentation. To begin, insert a new section header slide at the end of your presentation. Give it a title that identifies the kind of data you will present. For example, you might use a table to give investors an update on your organization's sales goals. After your section header, add another slide for your table. Use a layout with the slide title. Label the text box on this slide so that your audience knows what kind of information your table contains, like sales numbers, goals, or survey results. Now, find data to add to the table. In a new browser tab, open the Table Starter project linked on the Applied Digital Skills website. Add the data from the spreadsheet into your presentation. First, select the cells that you will add as a table to your presentation. Count how many columns and how many rows you will need for all the information in this part of the spreadsheet, and copy these cells. Next, return to your presentation and create the table where the information will appear. To create a table, choose the number of columns and rows you will need. You should be able to fit all the data from your spreadsheet in the table, including the title row at the top. Now that you've created an empty table, paste the information you copied from the spreadsheet. To make sure your audience can easily read the table, reformat it by changing the font size. Add the cell fill colors. Align the text in the middle so that it's easy to see. Make all the lines in the table black. Finally, increase the weight of the border so that it stands out on the slide. Changing the formatting of the table will help your audience gather information quickly as you present. Now it's your turn. Create a new title slide, open the starter spreadsheet, and copy the data in the first two columns. Create a table, paste the information from the spreadsheet into the table, and format the table to make it easier to see.